All right, hello everybody. My name is Fatima Conte. I'm in pre-IB geometry, period 8, and I'm doing my MYP unit task for cycle 4. So we were told to make our own problem and solve for either cosine, tan, I think sine, or converse, and I decided to do converse. And so for my problem, I did it with a dining room table and a fork. So let's just pretend like you're eating dinner one night and you just happen to drop your fork. And so somehow that would create a triangle. So here the height of the table would be 30 inches, and the distance from the table to where you drop your fork is 12 inches, and then you have your hypotenuse. So here's the triangle, and we're going to solve for the converse. So first of all, we know that some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid, and so here we're going to be solving for angle A. So here would be the adjacent, and here's the opposite. And so over here we see that tan gives you the opposite and the adjacent. So we'll be using this one right here, or we'd be doing it the opposite way. So let's just go ahead and fill this in. So tan H, and that would change to now. The opposite here is 12 inches, so we put 12, and the adjacent is 30. But since we're solving for the converse or the angle here, we have to use another, basically the opposite equation. So we'd put into the calculator tan, and then this -1 thing, and then 12 over 30. And so I have a little calculator right here. We're gonna go ahead and put that in. So let me just do that real quick. Tan, and then parentheses 12 over 30. Okay, we have that in. I'm sorry, give me a minute. Tan 12 over 30. Okay, so we have this large number right here. And so we were told in geometry to round it to the tens place. So right here, the angle A would equal, let's see, 21.8. 21.8. There we go. That's what the converse is. And we were told that we can also check if it's right. So over here we have a 90 degrees angle, and I was gonna go and see if it all adds up. So let's see if we can solve for this. Let's just pretend this is angle B. Okay, we're gonna solve for this and see if maybe if it all adds up to 180. Just to check it. So for this one, we would use the same thing, but it'll be tan. But instead of putting 12 over 30 now, we'd put 30 over 12 and then solve for that again. So let's see. And we do 30 over 12. And that will be let's see. Angle B would be, let's see. Let's just say 68.2. Now let's add all the angles together to see if they'll equal 180. So already we know that this right here is 90 degrees. I'm sorry. This right here is 90 degrees. So we do 90 plus, 90 plus, before we said 21.8 plus now 68.2. That equals 180. So yeah. So now we know that angle A right here is 21.8, And to check it, we to angle B is 68.2. So yeah, that's my project. So we solve for converse, and I'm saying that the converse here, if we were to, look at this, it would be 21.8. And if we were to check it, it would be 68.2. Thank you for watching.